it's inside the Kew Garden Glass House. As you're gonna go through it, you're gonna feel it through my poetry. And every plant is connected with Madagascar. Looking around inside the Kew Garden Glass House, the Princess of Wales Conservatory, mist spread in the air, creating dew to quench the thirst of the nature inside of this man-made architecture. The dew dropped on my hair feels like the blessing water, the Sudan that my parents would sprinkle at me when I go on an adventure. The orchids, flowers with a plethora of colors, like a firework displays exploding on a canvas of a night sky over Lake Annecy on the eve of 26th of June, Madagascar Independence Day celebration. The spiny plants by the arid zone, cactus, aloe, the crown of thorn, reminds me of my village home, Ambulman Zachary. Blue sky, red soil, herd of cattle, bustling catwalks with their humps and robust horns, like the Barrier, our national football team, proudly coming home. Standing by the tropical rainforest zone, evergreen, the warmth on my face, the humidity on my skin, feels like summer on the east coast of Madagascar, to Amasna, Tamatave, Akulale, I feel. My five senses are awake with a memory of Andas Bay rainforest that with you I wanted to recreate, where trees stand tall like guardian angels of Mother Earth, with the different names and different heights, ferns, palisanders, ebonies, and rosewood, all precious. Sunbeam travel through their arms and dance between the fingers of my palm, giving light to plants on the ground and epiphytes. Water fall in love with the stream. Chameleon hiss, dazzle, and change the color of the skin. Birds and liners chant in the morning and sow seeds on the forest floor for tree regeneration. Bees, buzz, Manauna Tumpko, greeting the butterflies. Salamatara Tumpko, the Madagascar sunset moth humbly replies, flapping its elegant, multi-colored wings, carrying the spirit of our noble king, as we Malagasy people respect and believe. Misotatum whisper the rich nectar flowers, thanking to all of their pollinators. Myriad of fragrances, petal, fruit and leaves, transported by the gentle breeze, coffee, aroma, and a suspicion of vanilla. The tour guide smiled and explained that in Andas Bay, the Matandia National Park, at night after dark, the perfume of orchids are amazing, like here, mind-blowing. Thank you. Such a true. Um, so my next poem is called Love and Respect the Renial. So Renial is baobab tree, as like it's a tree of life, and through the poem you feel how the baobab is meant to Malagasy people.